My name is Francesca, and I'm making a series of videos of Qigong. This video in particular is about kidney breathing, one particular kind of kidney breathing. In Chinese medicine, the kidneys are related to the energy of the water in Taoist alchemy too. And the water, we can see the water as fluent, of course, as trusting, as dangerous also, because trusting doesn't mean I know what's going to happen. Trusting means also I may not know what's going to happen, and not necessarily going to happen to what I want. But in particular, this exercise is made to replenish the energy of the kidneys, which means will help us and everyone that wants to sleep against traumas, anti-stress. If it happens you have to travel a lot, and you have jet lags, or you can't sleep a lot during that night, you can truthfully replace hours of sleep just doing this very simple exercise. However, I do not suggest you do it regularly, because we need to sleep. Not only because of the... I need to sleep, not only because you need to sleep, not only because of being tired, but because we need to dream. We need to dream. Okay? So, let's start. You can see another video I did about the Iron Shirt Qigong 1, to have a position on standing up position, and or you can do this exercise from sitting. If you use a standing up position, have your legs wide open as much as is the width of your shoulders. Relax on your knees and start to feel the place in between one bones and the other, and smile to the bones. Smile to the bones. Smile to the place in between the bones, and smile to yourself. Smiling means to be open to all the possibilities, to the infinite energy from the universe, with a playful and optimist attitude. Place the tip of your tongue up to the palate, in a place that is comfortable for you and is sensitive, and just start to breathe from your dantian, following the movement of the breathing. Dantian is this area, following the movement of the breathing, inhaling, exhaling from the dantian, down into the legs, down into the earth, smiling to the earth, like if you had roots in the ground, and then breathing back from the earth, through the legs, into the belly, into the dantian. Rooting is the first part of many meditations. I wish you to feel if there is any tension, any stuck energy, any physical or emotional or energy of other kind, let it go. Tension, let it go. When we inhale, very slightly, not strongly, close a little bit the perineum, and when we exhale down into the ground. Just in this way we can go on for a while. Letting the energy pass and opening the space in between the bones when we inhale. And relax, exhaling to the ground. Start to think at your kidneys, which are located on the side of your spinal cord, below the rib cage, so not really down below, below the rib cage, from the last rib that you can feel, up the length of your ears, and the shape of your ears too. While you're still doing the breathing, think at your kidneys, try to expand the spine. Bringing the energy into the kidneys too. And when you exhale, exhale down, into the earth. Infinite down. There is infinite space and infinite possibilities. When you think of this, think of an infinite sea of energy. A blue, deep, infinite sea of energy. And invite this energy into the kidneys. You can feel and imagine your kidneys bigger than what they physically are, like a lakes or a sea, 2 lakes or a sea. Bring your hands on the back and form what is called a beak. Putting your fingers together, use this point here, so this point in the wrist, in the middle, it's a little bit soft, this part, and put that part touching near to the spinal cord, just between the lower 2 ribs, T11, the 11th thoracic vertebra, and when you exhale, you open the hands, and when you inhale, invite the energy into the kidneys, the water energy, and exhaling, invite the energy to stay into the kidneys, opening the hands. The energy comes from the infinite below us and the infinite at the back of us. And once again, fill up the kidneys, and then eventually the whole body. We slip into this energy, floating into it. We smile to the energy of strength and trust. Always expanding the back a little bit, if we know how to do that. When we inhale and close the perineum. And when we exhale, we invite the energy to stay into the kidneys, and we relax the perineum and the back. Side view of this movement, which is very small. The most important thing, we relax in the energy of water, and we trust the water as we trust the flow. And when we enter really in this exercise, We let go of everything else. And we are filled with this energy and we float in it. If you want, you can imagine to be in water and feel the energy and the sound of water into yourself. Or you can even try to make the sound of water like a float in the energy and relax. And smile to be open to all the possibilities. These waters are the waters of life. You can ask the universe. Rest, life, and trust. Whenever you want to finish, just massage with your hands the kidneys area in a circular way. Focus your attention again in the dantian and thank you, the energy and the work and yourself and the universe if you want so. If you want to do this for recharging from stress and recharging from lack of sleep, or because you cannot sleep, you have to do it for a while until you really find yourself in that half sleeping state. It's the best time. You can do this exercise anytime you want, during the day or during the night. Have a good practice. Bye.